To check on your forecast with Zach, you are watching a lot on that radar.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. We have stuff to track here at home and also obviously down in the tropics. We'll start off here in Virginia, and there's what it looks like through our Millionaire cam looking north. Heavy rainfall has moved through the area, and here's how we did for today. 74 this morning, and we did it again. 91 this afternoon. That's 22 straight days of 90 degrees or higher. One last one to round out the month of July, and we did pick up about 4/10 of an inch of rainfall and maybe a little bit more. May not be done yet for the day. So today puts us in the very top spot here. July 2020 will go down as the hottest on record. I'm sure that surprises no one, the way that things have gone. All right, it's 78 right now. It's very muggy. Look at the dew point, 76. So steamy out there currently. The front is right on top of us. Temperatures north of the front are in the 70s, south of the front in the upper 80s and low 90s. And some heavy rainfall right now just a little bit west of the Gloucester area. Also some heavy rainfall out near New Kent, Quinton, and Roxbury. And that extends back to the south and east of Richmond around Varina down toward Osborne Landing, and heavy rainfall south end 288. This is going to be near Pocahontas State Park, Beach Road, Nash Road. Heavy rainfall down that way toward Qualla Road as well. Gets even heavier down Harrogate Road out near Chester, and then out toward Winterpock, a little isolated shower there. And the rainfall rates have dropped off considerably farther north in Richmond. So some areas though 3 to 4 inches per hour. All right, there is the stationary boundary, and stationary fronts, they don't just sit in one spot. They wobble around and move around a little bit, but they move slowly. All right, there's a look at Isaias. It continues, and you can see right in here is the center of the hurricane. It's going to be headed toward Grand Bahama as a Category 1 hurricane, but it could strengthen some before it makes landfall there, and it looks like it could actually make a landfall as well in Florida. Maybe just a glancing blow here as we get into late Saturday and early Sunday as a hurricane, and then it's going to stay over the waters of the southeast coast, and those are very warm Gulf Stream waters. And it'll pick up speed. It's going to be fighting some wind shear as an upper level trough will be moving into the eastern United States. But the forward speed of this thing is critical for us because even as a tropical storm, if it comes on through here with fast forward speed, we're talking 20 to 22 miles per hour, it is going to carry those strong winds well inland, and that'll be something to contend with here in central and eastern Virginia. Everything in purple, those are the hurricane warnings, so I have a good chunk now of the Florida Peninsula under a hurricane warning. And based on that track that I just showed you, here's what the local impacts would be in the Richmond area. 35 to 45 mile per hour sustained winds with higher gusts, the rainfall 2 to 4 inches, locally higher amounts. And as far as any severe weather goes with tornadoes, that'd be primarily southern and eastern Virginia. You have to watch those rain bands that are coming from the ocean onto land where the low level shear will be greater. All right, so for the rest of tonight, there's the boundary. It'll start to lift back to the north during the day tomorrow and start to pick up a little bit of speed heading north as we get into Sunday. But a few storms will be possible again tomorrow afternoon if you're going to be out and about. Enjoy the day. Just keep an eye on the sky and keep your CBS 6 weather app handy. On Sunday, a hot and humid day. Mid-90s, heat index should be well into the low 100s for several hours. There's your 7-day forecast. We're going to add to the streak a couple more days, so maybe it goes to 24 in a row. And then, of course, tracking Isaias very carefully to see the impacts early next week here in central Virginia.